We apologize for the break in the analysis, but our video analysis software at this point has a 1 GB limit per recording. So, coming right back into the gold analysis, if we have formed a 4 here and going up to get a 5, I believe that we have formed a 1 here, coming down to form a 2. And here we have started the beginning of the 1, 2 going up, and I believe once we pass this trend line that comes from the very top all the way dating back to November of last year, so a yearly trend line, if we pass this, we will get quite a momentum moving up, and that will validate the third wave. And actually that will fall very much in line with the analysis of the US markets. If they are in that sideways formation and coming down to meet the fourth wave, the gold will strengthen up here and everything will go hand in hand. And you can see the correlation with currency markets as well, as we covered in the Forex videos. But zooming in to see the action more accurately, let's go into the 4-hour chart of our gold. Let's go and cover this bullish run from the beginning of that fourth wave completion, or as we think it's a fourth wave completion. I'm going to pause the video. Okay. From here, you would see 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see better, larger of these charts in our chart analysis at any time. Forming a 1, and here the action forming a 2 is A, B, C coming down, and as soon as this trend line was broken, you saw a major bullish action coming in and a lot of bullish investors coming into the market. It's exhausted itself, rightfully, because we've completed an impulse wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to a 1, and as any impulse wave ends, you would have an ABC correction, which I believe we're almost completing. I believe this cluster of Fibonacci's are a great point, along with these support lines, to bring in a bottom here and form our 2, and we'll go right back up. The biggest hurdle would be to passing these tops and passing this trend line. And perhaps it will all be in the same action, where we pass this top and this trend line at the same time to go up further. But we would have to wait and see if this wave count is panning out. And if you look at the ABC, it's a perfect 1, 2, 3, 4 leading diagonal to an A, to a B, and our C is an ABC so far. We'll see if that count pans out. As always, anytime you get into the hourly and 15-minute charts, they're less accurate at the 4-hour than the 4-hour daily and weekly, because you have much bigger time frame confirmations to rely on. So I would always look at the 15-minute, the hourly charts with much more caution, and exercise extreme caution again to make sure that you're working on the right wave count, and make sure that you get validation with your technical analysis. And these wave counts can change at any moment. As soon as do not breakpoint is broken, and for example, our wave count would no longer be valid if we take out that low of the 1 on that side. That's what Elliott wave is all about. At any point, if we pass below this level of 1180.40, we know that our wave count is not correct of the 1, 2, and we are perhaps forming the 4, or we've completed the 4 and coming down to get the 5. So this could easily at the same time be an A, B, C to a 1, to a 2, to a 3, to a 4, to a 5, and then an ending diagonal pattern. And again, only time will prove what is the accurate count. Now let's move into the US dollar index. We believe that we formed a 5 here in May 2011, which coincides with all the other charts of the Dow, S&P, and everything that we've discussed already. And as you can tell, we had a 1, 2, 3, 4 ending diagonal with a 1, 2, 3, 4 with the ABC patterns in between each, forming the 5th wave. At this point, I believe that we formed our leading diagonal with an ABC up to here to form our 1, and we are working on our B, on our 2 to go up. So that's the pattern I do see. And the 2 actually came into very accurate readings with the Fibonacci, with the 61.8 and the 78.6 levels. And I believe here, if we zoom in, you'll see it more accurately with an with the ABC pattern ending here. The B was formed here, and this is our C with an ABC pattern here. And you can look at all these charts again and study them more accurately from our chart analysis section. And here, I believe that we are starting at 1, 2. We still haven't reached those levels yet. I believe we're working on to form the 4th wave here. Somewhere around here, we might have already done it. If you go and look at this further, we might actually have those counts already since our last analysis. And this might have been our B to a C to almost the 23 or the 38 point level. Actually, I believe we're still working on that B because actually it's possible. We have an ABC up here, and we'll see how this pans out. So, as always, that's an overall coverage of the currency markets and the major markets. I hope you've enjoyed our videos. Be careful with our trading, and best of luck. And if you have any questions, do get in touch with us as soon as possible, and we'll be more than happy to help you out and assist you any further. Thank you, and see you guys soon.